Python butterfly tayo.
Butterfly.
Tapos malapit sa
Tarsier.
man-made forest.
Man-made forest.
Honey bridge.
Honey bridge.
Lunch.
Lunch. After lunch, sir.
After lunch, iron natin yung Baclayon short na lunch pack.
Baclayon. Baclayon pack.
What's your wish? Okay. Yellow. Hold this one, baby. You hold this.
Sila mo.
Sila mo siya.
May galit. Lakas. Lakas sila. Ay, sila mo lakas.
Oh, ganda. Sayo na si mama. Sige, sayaw.
Dali na, kaya nag-ano ako.
Ikaw, tikim. Be.
Picture daw.
Dance. Dance na lang, dance.
Yan. Halika na dito.
Kapit na.
Okay.
Halika.
Ay, gano'n tayo muna din.
Ano, superworm. Yung mga pinapakain sa ano, tarantula.
Yikes.
Ayan, gumagalaw.
Hold mo, wine.
Okay lang, ito. Kita mo?
What's that?
Be, mag-picture ka.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan.
Pinakabahan ka lang. Mag-side ka para nakita siya.
Tama na doon, sa lahat na tayo mapasok.
Ay, sige, sige.
Oh, kayo magpakain.
Kayo lang? Family?
Apa.
Kaya na natin.
Kuya, pwede ko bang yan, no?
Di, wag ganyanin hawak. Okay lang.
Bawal kargahin.
Kayo sa kuko.
Okay.
Kauras. Bilhin din si Kapela.
Pait mo siya, ha?
Bawal ano.
You grab one.
Touch lang. Okay lang, touch.
Okay.
Kain mo.
Bibigay ko sa rabbit.
Touch lang, baby, ha? You give dun sa rabbit dito. Oh.
Lagay sila.
Dito. Ay, rabbit! Ayun na!
Gusto niya mga
Oh, cute.
Pwede daw i-touch.
Meron touch siya.
Isa-isa lang hatag sir, ganyan para ano.
Binigay mo lahat. Ayun pa, Onyx.
Isa lang
Oh.
daw, isa-isa.
Ay, tulog.
Oh, so cute. Pa-isa-isa lang daw.
Ayan na, ang dami nila oh.
Uy,
Kunin mo ulit yung
siya.
dahon mo, kunin mo.
Again, keep.
Ayun o, doon o, sa may host. Ayun o, big. Ayun o. Halika. Ayun. Okay, punta doon. Hungry na yun si boss.
Sino?
May?
May?
May what?
Meron dyan? Baka nag-sleep.
Ayun, kapila, wake up oh. Ayun o. Get mo yung dahon. Yun. Sa other...
Itik, oh. May itik. Itik.
Kahit maligo pa, puti pa rin siya.
Oh, bukay talaga siya.
Kabayo pa, ayaw magalaga.
Mahal ba yun sa 20
Ah, mamaak yun, ah. Oy, wag na kayo mag-wake may tika tong may anak ng kagat.
Nangangagat daw.
Okay lang daw to.
Hi! Wow!
Kagatin ka niyan. Pwede mahikap, yan. Galing.
Cute!
Basta may pagkain lang. Actually mo, touch.
Yan. Touch mo.
Touch mo, Bing. Yun ang si tatay, nag-touch. Sige na.
Sige, wag na.
Huwag na. Rapreso.
Good morning, ma'am sir.
Good morning.
Butterflies po, ma'am sir. Okay, ma'am sir, ito yung pinaka malaking butterfly sa Pilipinas. Ang pangalan niya Birdwing. Ito yung female, ito yung male. Sa kabila naman mukhang butterfly pero hindi considered na butterfly. Pero belong to the moth family.
Yeah, moth.
Yan yung pinakamalaking moth sa Pilipinas, pangatlo sa buong mundo. Yun yung tinatawag na Atlas moth. Yung difference sa moth at saka butterfly, yung antenna. Yung moth, feathery yung antenna. Yung butterfly, straight may knobs sa end. Colorful lang butterflies, dalang moth. Nocturnal sila, gabi lang active. Okay, daytime yung butterfly. Pag nag-rest ang moth, pati yung wings, yung butterfly naman po upright in resting. Sa Tagalog, kilala sa tawag ng mariposa. Pero sad to say, ang mariposa ay maling pangalan. Yung mariposa kasi, namana lang natin sa mga Espanyol. Ang ibig sabihin ng mariposa kasi butterfly in Spanish, and what we call mariposa, hindi naman butterfly, isang moth, no? Misnomer. Ang right name niya, Atlas moth, hindi mariposa. Okay, yung pagkakaiba nila, yung antenna, moth have feathery antenna, butterfly straight may knobs, and makulay ito, dalang moth, nocturnal, gabi lang active. Yan yung mga pumapasok sa bahay na sinasabi si Lolo, si Lola. Pero hindi ko na totoo. Hindi ko, na-attract na sa ilaw yun, ma'am.
Okay.
From egg, 5 days magiging caterpillar. Buhayan, ma'am. Caterpillar, 16 days magiging pupa. Ito yun. Pupa naman, 16 days butterfly na. Bali, total of 37 days para maging butterfly. Tapos yung butterfly, nabubuhay lang 21 days. 21 patay na, oh. Iksi lang, ma'am. Pag lumampas ang 21, ma'am, papatayin na namin. Baka sabihin, sinungaling kami. Lang, sana.
Joker talaga si Sir.
Ayan, dito, ma'am. Picture tayo dito.
Ay,
Mag-go kapila.
Welcome to the Mobile Legends.
sige, pasok kayo.
Ay, di yan lumalabas.
Hindi Ay, sa exit siya.
Okay ka talaga.
Sa exit siya lumalabas.
Sorry po, mamaipit kayo. Ang daming butterfly.
Ang ganda, so colorful.
Doon pa sir, oh. Nagre-relaxing. Nakikatagay pa ng kuba.
it's softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Ay,